Stop. Do not skip this video, because what you're about to see may completely change how you create content, market products, make money online, and use AI forever. Let me ask you something. How many times this week did you ask an AI a real question and get back a real answer? Not a disclaimer, not a "here are some things to consider," not a carefully worded wall of nothing, a real answer. Because I asked ChatGPT something last year that changed how I use AI forever, not because of what it said, because of what it refused to say. And when I took that same question to a different AI, one most people don't even know exists yet, what came back made me close my laptop, sit back, and realize I'd been paying for the wrong tool for 2 years straight. What I'm about to show you in the next 5 minutes will do the same thing to you. Stay with me. Here's what the censored AI experience actually looks like. You ask ChatGPT a real marketing question. Sorry, I want to make sure I provide balanced information. You ask Claude for blunt feedback on your sales page. I appreciate your effort here, and there are some really strong elements. You ask Gemini anything remotely controversial. 14 disclaimers, 0 answers. You know that feeling. You type the question, you hit enter, and what comes back is not what you needed. It's what they decided you were allowed to have. And here's what nobody's talking about. The cost of working with censored AI isn't measured in dollars. It's measured in decisions you couldn't make, campaigns that didn't convert, content that didn't land, because the tool you were paying for refused to give you a real answer. I spent 2 years building my entire business on ChatGPT. 2 years. And then one afternoon, I asked it a simple question about a trending topic in my niche. The answer was polished, authoritative. It felt complete, but something felt off. So I asked a different AI the same question, and what came back stopped me cold. In December 2022, while the world was crowning Sam Altman king of AI, Elon Musk was furious because he'd watched AI transform from the most exciting technology in human history into something that felt like talking to a legal department. So he did what Elon does. He didn't complain. He built. He founded XAI, poured $6 billion of his own money into it, built Colossus, the largest AI supercomputer ever assembled, 200,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs in just 122 days. He pulled the best engineers from OpenAI, DeepMind, Anthropic, and Google, the ones who were quietly disagreeing with their employer's censorship direction, and he gave them one mandate: build the AI that is not censored or sanitized, but the one that actually thinks, creates, and reasons like a real person. That AI is Grok, and as of today, you can access every piece of it through one dashboard, one payment, no monthly fees, and no permission required from anyone. It's called GrokMAX, and it is nothing like what you've been using. Watch this. I'm asking GrokMAX the same question ChatGPT refused to answer. Typing on screen, question goes in, answer comes back instantly. There it is, bold, direct, sourced, real, no disclaimers, no hedging, no, I want to make sure I provide balanced information, just the answer. Now watch what happens when I ask it what's trending on X right now. This is live, this is right now, not 3 months ago, not last year's data, right now. That is GrokMAX. GrokMAX is the world's first all-access pass to Elon Musk's most powerful AI models. Grok 4.2, Grok 4.1, Grok 4, Grok 3, Grok 3 Mini, SuperGrok, Grok Imagine, Grok Voice, real-time search intelligence, and advanced reasoning AI. It is the only AI with native live access to the X Firehose, meaning it knows what's trending, what's going viral, what traders are saying, what stories are breaking before mainstream media even catches up. This isn't another AI writer. This is a real-time AI business engine, powered by the same AI ecosystem designed to challenge ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. Unlike most AI tools that feel robotic, filtered, and corporate, Grok feels different. It feels faster, bolder, smarter, more human, more current, more alive. And that's exactly why millions of people are switching to Elon Musk's AI ecosystem. Because most AI tools today feel like this: generic, repetitive, overfiltered corporate robotics, slow to adapt, trained to avoid real answers. But Grok responds with personality, with intelligence, with real-time awareness. It understands trends, current events, internet culture, business strategy, marketing psychology, and now, for the first time ever, you can access all of it from one dashboard with GrokMAX AI. Grok 4 Heavy. This is XAI's most powerful model. Multiple AI agents running in parallel, debating each other internally, comparing reasoning chains before giving you the final answer. XAI charges $300 a month for this. It's inside GrokMAX as well, for $17. One time, I'm gonna say that again. Grok 4 Heavy, the $300 a month model, inside GrokMAX, $17. One time. time, yours for life. And that's before we even talk about Grok Imagine for AI images, Grok Video for cinematic AI clips, Grok Voice for real-time voice conversations. All of it. One dashboard, one payment, no monthly fees, ever. Marcus, a day trader from Austin, picked up GrokMAX on a Wednesday. By day 9, he'd banked $11,400 using Grok's real-time X data to spot market moves before Bloomberg caught them. The live X data is the most underpriced edge in trading right now, he said. ChatGPT trains on month-old data. Grok knows what was posted 30 seconds ago. That gap is everything. Sarah, a former investigative journalist in London, used GrokMAX to build a newsletter business from zero. 14 weeks later, 5,000 paid subscribers, $25,000 a month in recurring revenue. I would not have a newsletter business without Grok, she said. ChatGPT and Claude refused to engage with the stories that made my newsletter different. Grok engaged with all of them. And me? The week I switched from ChatGPT to Grok, my copy converted better, my research went deeper, my content sounded more human, more current, more real, and my output tripled. Not because I worked harder, because Grok is simply better. Here's what I want you to do right now. Beneath this video, there's a button. Click it. For $17. One time, you get Grok 4, Grok 4 Heavy, Grok 3, Grok Imagine, Grok Video, Grok Voice, real-time X data integration, a commercial license, so you keep 100% of everything you create, and every future Grok model X AI ever releases, automatically added to your dashboard. No monthly fees, no API costs, no throttling, no technical setup, no try again later. Just the real answer, every time. Now, compare that to what you're paying right now. ChatGPT Plus, $20 a month. Claude Pro, $20 a month. Gemini Advanced, $20 a month. X Premium for basic Grok access, $40 a month. That's $100 a month, minimum, for filtered, rate-limited, sanitized AI. Or $17 one time for the unfiltered version, the real-time version, the one Elon actually built. There's also a 30-day money-back guarantee. You don't like it, you don't keep it. Full refund, no questions asked. So the only risk here is not clicking. Every day you spend using AI that's designed to limit you is a day your competitors are using AI that isn't. The information gap between people using Grok and people using ChatGPT is growing. Every single day, click the button below. Get in. I'll see you on the inside.